Marley Pipe Systems is a distributor and manufacturer of quality plastic pipe systems for sub-Saharan Africa, offering value to its merchants and key stakeholders. Marley Equator offers an extensive range of pipes and easy-to-assemble push-fit fittings.
My name is Fred Tank. The company I represent is Plumbing CC, a plumbing contracting company, a small one.
My name is Jose Santos. I'm running Santos Plumbing. We do plumbing work, all types of building.
We do mainly office blocks, factories and warehouses, townhouse complexes.
Mostly new construction jobs. We do houses, we do mini warehouses, we do petrol stations, whatever has to do with plumbing. I went to my supplier the one day to get some materials that I needed, and they were there doing a demonstration on some Equator piping.
He suggested look up Marley Equator. I went on the internet, looked at the facts and figures, and then Billy, one of the representatives or technical representatives from Marley, got hold of me and he came and did a presentation.
We had a demonstration. The guys actually came out to site, showed us how the pipe worked, showed all the staff that works with us how it's done.
Showing me the benefits of using Marley Equator. Literature, he gave me obviously the product knowledge file on Equator, because for me to have been able to use Marley Equator pipe in the development, I had to do a presentation to the developer to show him that the piping I'm using is actually SABS approved and it is good quality.
I chose Marley Equator pipe because firstly it's a little bit quite a lot cheaper than the products that we've got around. It's a lot easier to work. You don't need any special tools to crimp or nothing like that. You just cut your pipe, take your fitting, slot it in, and it's ready to go.
I think the biggest thing of Marley Equator, me using Marley Equator, was you take the human factor out of it quite a bit. You work with long lengths of pipe, but length of pipe comes in, a roll of pipe, should I say, is 50 meters long. So you can run long lengths of pipe, get them around reasonable corners without breaking it, and you're taking away the cutting, the soldering, and the flux part. There's no welding, no heat, nothing involved. It's purely a push system where you cut it with a decent cutter, a sharp edge, you put an insert in the fitting, and you push it together by hand, and you can still move it. If it doesn't leak, well, that's solid for me.
The key benefits are time saving. It's unreal. I mean, it's taking us half the time as what it used to when we're using other materials.
If I had to quantify the time saving aspect, on a daily basis we would save approximately 2 hours.
3-4 bedroom house you can pipe in a day. Once your chasing's done, you pipe it in a day and it's finished.
We did 138 townhouses, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, as I said, in 6 months from the ground up. If we had to do the old system, or not the old system, but the current system of copper pipe, we would not have been able to complete it.
We've been using it for about a year, and it's been quite good.
The time I've been using Marley Equator has been approximately 1 year now, and I've had no problems with Marley Equator piping. All fittings, as a matter of fact.
I'd say to cut down my costs by between 40 and 50% at least.
I would say to quantify the cost savings using Marley Equator, I would say anywhere in the region between 20 and 25%. One factor which I have not mentioned is stealing. Once it's installed, it doesn't get stolen. So that's another 10 to 20% saving.
Well, the support we get is quite good. If we've got any problem, we phone them, they send somebody out, they show us the products that they've got, or give us different advice on different areas.
The technical support has been very good from the technical representative. Whenever I had a problem, he visited us on site very regularly.
Yes, I would recommend the Equator pipe to other plumbers. The time that you save on it is unreal, and you don't have theft on site anymore.
My top 3 reasons for choosing Marley Equator would be the first one would be ease of use, taking out the human error factor. The second one would definitely be the theft part. And my third reason for using Marley Equator piping would be that it's a good quality product, it's easy to install. Marley Equator is going to be around a long time after we're all gone.
Plumbing certainly has evolved over the years, from earthenware to steel to copper and now to cross-linked polyethylene, commonly known as PEX. Marley Equator, the hot and cold water plumbing system.